Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. Several shooting incidents in the corporate area between yesterday afternoon and this morning have left at least 3 people dead and several others nursing bullet wounds. For several hours, investigators assigned to the St. Andrews Central Police Division were stretched, moving between the different crime scenes and incidents. According to police reports so far, at least 3 persons have been confirmed dead. In the first incident, which happened shortly after 4 p.m., a man was shot and killed on Maxfield Avenue. He has been identified as George Newman. It's reported that Mr. Newman went to a betting outlet when he was attacked and shot. He was pronounced dead at hospital. On Augusttown Road, a 45-year-old contractor, Mark Harris, was shot and killed. Investigators say a semi-automatic pistol was seized from the crime scene. While at that scene, the police were called to another shooting in Papine near Golden Circle. 2 men, both 22 years of age, were reportedly shot and injured by gunmen. The cops also say while a team was patrolling the streets in the New Kingston area during the Buju Banton concert, they were engaged in a shootout with gunmen along Oxford Road. The cops say they signaled 2 men on a motorcycle to stop. However, the pillion reportedly opened gunfire at the cops, and the cops challenged them. One of the men was later held with a firearm while the driver escaped. It's understood that the driver sustained bullet wounds. Then, this morning, the police were alerted to the presence of a body in Goldsmith Villa. Residents reported hearing explosions in the vicinity hours before. That body has not been identified as yet.